Last one, Melissa. You can do this. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you the 5th and final day of tutorial week here on my channel, and we are going to be following a tutorial from Miss Tina Maughan. I am super stoked to get into this tutorial, so if you're ready, then I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about these two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So yes, today is the final video, final day of my tutorial week. I know I didn't post them 5 days straight, but my face and my eyes were just like straight bugging. They were like, oh my God, we're not used to all this makeup. But I got them in before Monday. I started on Monday. I'm ending on Sunday. I think I'm doing pretty good. I think I did pretty good. You guys have been so overwhelmingly positive with this week that I think I'm going to be continuing this every month. I'll probably pick a creator's look once every month to recreate, and it will always be a smaller creator because like I said earlier this week, everybody does the more big creators all the time, and us smaller creators need some love too. I do have to say I'm really upset my psoriasis hit again, and I have this patch on my hand. Sucks. Okay, as I stated in the intro, I am recreating this look from Tina Maughan. She is one of my dearest and closest friends here on YouTube / Instagram. She's one of my fellow spoonies. We talk about, you know, our illnesses and everything like that, and she's just an amazing person. The one thing I really love about her channel is that she does these fun, funky looks that can be done for all ages, from young to old, and that is what drew me to do this look from her today. She did do this look using the Juvia's Place Wahala palette, and I do have a review for this down in the playlist if you want to check it out. She also does swatches and does a little review on this palette as well in her video, and I will link that video down in the description box and pin it in my comment section so you guys can check out that full video. She currently has 988 subscribers here on YouTube. Let's get her to 1,000 people. Come on, we can do it. And she has 208 followers on Instagram. I will post all that information down in the description box and in the pinned comment so you guys can subscribe to her channel, get her to 1,000, and follow her on Instagram. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alrighty, I went ahead and primed my eyes and all that jazz. So let's go ahead and get started.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, and today we are reviewing Juvia's Place. Now I know everybody and their dogs out there reviewing women of color brands saying it's because Black Lives Matter. It doesn't even need to be said Black Lives Matter, like duh. I love the fact
right?
that one place in Washington DC wrote it in huge letters, like Yellow Brick Road, right down in the middle of Page Street. Like, that's amazing. I would be reviewing this no matter what was going on in the world right now because I love this brand. This brand is
I love Juvia's Place too.
So let's get playing with this amazing palette because it looks fantastic. So we're going to use Pride, which is kind of a, when I swatched that shade, it didn't really show up. So it's what I'm going with to put my base shade down. Kind of a gray color.
Okay, she went in with the shade Pride right here, and she actually used that as a base. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I have Pride down. Let's see what her next step is.
First I'm going to go into Woke, and then I'm going to use BU.
Okay.
I'm just going to use Woke and start doing my outer corner and my crease.
Okay, she is first going in with the shade Woke right here, and then she's putting that on the outer corner and in the crease. All right, I have Be Woke down. Very pretty shade. I think I used it in my look that I did with this palette. I can't remember. Y'all know my memory sucks. All right, let's go ahead and see what her next step is.
Okay, so now I'm picking up some BU, putting that in the other corner, and then gently bringing it into the crease.
Okay, so next she is taking BU, which I'm pretty sure I did use. This shade right here. This shade right here. And she put it on the outer corner and slightly into the crease. I am going to use my Sigma E25 blending brush to do that. Okay, this is what we got going on so far. Let's go ahead and see what's next.
After much thought and debate in my mind, I'm going to use Fighter.
Ooh.
Look at that. That's green. So this little blue brush, and I'm just hitting it with my setting spray. This one's from Tarte called Stay Spray. It's amazing. And I'm just going to pick that
that's spray too.
Carefully. It does. It comes up super easy, and I'm sure it would apply.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So what we are doing now is we are going green. I have never done a look like this before where you did like a Wabam purple, then a Wabam green. Everything I kind of do is muted in some way, but whatever, it is what it is. So we're going to go in the shade Fighter, which is this shade right here. It looks brighter because of my lights, but it is darker in the pan. And we're going to take, I'm going to take a flat shader brush. I'm going to use this one right here, the AOA Studio E131, and place that down. Alrighty, this is what we got going on so far. I did go back in BU and kind of like fused everything together. So let's see what is next.
I'm going to use Envy. So I'm going to take Max Plus. Yeah, because I actually did search everywhere for my Too Faced Glitter Glue and found my Max Plus.
Okay, so she went in the shade Envy right here and placed that on the inner corner of her eye. Duh. Alrighty, that is down. Let's go ahead and see what she does next.
I am just going to take a little bit of BU on my Ingledy brush, bring that around my outer corner.
Okay, she took BU and then she's bringing it down on the outer corner. So I'm just going to take what is left over on my Sigma brush and do that. All right, we got this blown out going on. So let's see what she does next.
Now I'm going to take Love, which is that really awesome blue right there, and on a small pencil brush, I'm just going to pick that up and line my lower lash line with that.
Ooh. Okay, so next step we are taking Love, which is this bright blue shade right here, and placing that on the lower lash line. I am going to use my, once I find it, there it is, my AOA Studio E115 brush to do that. All right, we have that down. This is a very colorful look, I do have to say so. All right, let's see what the next step is.
I just have a Tarte eyeliner, and this is in lavender. I'm just gonna line my eyes with that.
Okay, she used a Tarte eyeliner and it's a lavender shade. I don't have a lavender eyeliner for my waterline, so I am going to go in with the LA Girls Shockwave Neon Liner in Vivid. And then she went and finished the rest of her face. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I am going to line my eyes, put mascara on, do my lashes, finish the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Alrighty, this is the final look. It kind of reminds me of a more brighter version of the first look I did this week, which was the Christopher J. MUA look, and it's actually really nice. What's going on with my lashes here? I think this is the last look I'm going to be able to get out of these bad boys, which is fine, because I have more. I didn't go for like a bright purple lip. Let me fix y'all real quick. There we go. I went with more of a nude lip. I went in first with the Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip pencil, and then in the shade Mystic Moon in their Bullet lipstick collection. Yeah, I am really liking this look. It's fun, it's different, and I like how she was able to incorporate different shades and then just bring it all together at the end. It looks really nice. It's really fun. I will post Tina Maughan's information down in the description box. I will post her YouTube channel and her Instagram so you can give her a subscribe and a follow. And I will also link the video to her full tutorial and review on the Wahala palette as well. I will pin it in my comment section. I also want to give Tina a huge thank you for letting me close out this week with this look. I absolutely adore you. You are one of my closest friends, and I'm just... yeah, I love you. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all of my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, I will post the rest of the makeup products that I used today for this look down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Oh, this poor lash. Looks a little wonky. Done with tutorial week. Cannot wait to cut my hair.